If you're in Canada and trying to buy a trending altcoin, you might open your local exchange and quickly realize the coin isn't even listed. This is the point where many traders start exploring global platforms like BingX because they usually offer a much wider selection of cryptocurrencies, lower trading fees, and faster access to new tokens compared to local exchanges. However, using global exchanges is not as simple as it first appears. These platforms operate under different legal frameworks depending on the region, which means access to features can vary from country to country. While BingX may provide hundreds or even thousands of assets globally, users in certain regions may face restrictions on specific trading tools or products due to local compliance rules. In Canada, strict financial regulations have led to many major exchanges leaving the market altogether. Because of this, local exchanges often have fewer listed coins and higher trading costs. This creates a gap where traders feel they are missing out on early listings, meme coins, and fast-moving opportunities that appear first on international platforms. As a result, some users attempt to access global exchanges even when they are not officially supported in their country. This sometimes involves using VPNs or bypassing verification systems. While it may seem like an easy workaround, it carries serious risks. Exchanges can detect unusual login activity, and this can lead to account freezes, withdrawal delays, or permanent bans. In many cases, users only realize the risk after they have already deposited funds. It is also important to understand why these restrictions exist. Governments impose financial regulations to prevent money laundering, investor protection, and tax compliance. This is why regulated exchanges require strict identity checks, proof of address, and sometimes even source of funds verification. These steps are designed to create a safer trading environment, even if they reduce convenience. Because of these differences, many traders use a hybrid approach. They purchase crypto